Welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a mouth-watering recipe that is dairy-free and keto-friendly. Get ready to experience the incredible combo of dairy-free keto cheese and amp bacon-wrapped dates. We start by taking pitted dates and stuffing them with our homemade dairy-free keto cheese. Trust me, it's a game changer. The creamy texture and savory flavor of this cheese alternative will leave you craving more. Get ready for an epic culinary adventure as we delve into this innovative recipe, so stay tuned and feed your curiosity. Moving forward, we envelop each cheese-stuffed date in a slice of crispy, crunchy bacon. The perfect mingling of the saltiness from the bacon, the sweetness of the dates, and the creaminess of the cheese creates an absolutely magical taste sensation. Get ready for the magic to happen, folks. Now it's time to slide these beauties into the oven. Witness the thrilling transformation as the bacon dances in the heat and turns a mouth-watering shade of golden, its edges turning tantalizingly crispy. Look at the cheese as it gives into the warmth and melts over our creation, to the point of absolute perfection. The aroma wafting from your oven and filling your kitchen will be so irresistible, it'll be all you can do to keep from opening the oven door. Here we have our dairy-free keto cheese and amp bacon-wrapped dates. A delectable treat that is perfect for a myriad of occasions, be it parties, game nights, or even if you're looking for a fancy snack just for you. Trust me when I say, will not disappoint. Each and every bite will ignite a burst of flavors that will absolutely rock your world. As you delve into the heart of one of these flavor-packed delights, prepare yourself to encounter a harmonious blend of sweet, savory, and creamy sensations. Indeed, it is a tantalizingly explosive combination that tantalizes the taste buds. Thank you so much for joining us today to uncover the secrets of this fantastic recipe. We encourage you to give it a whirl your own kitchen and share your experience with us in the comments section. We're always thrilled to hear about your culinary adventures. Make sure you don't miss on any future gastronomical wonders by subscribing to our channel. We promise to keep bringing you an array of enticing and groundbreaking recipes. Until we meet again in our next video, we wish you happy and joyful cooking.